A major breakthrough occurred in 1963 when in the U.S. at the University of Chicago they created the first survivorship bias, let's call it research quality database. And that was a major breakthrough that enabled academics to do serious research on topics of interest. And subsequently, other countries have followed. So now there's a wealth of data that research, can be focused on, and from that research, we've gained a lot of insights about the best way to invest money. And I think here again, it's a pretty exciting time. I doubt if the next generation, quite frankly, can change the world as much in the academic world as the last two generations have. Since we built the firm around a set of ideas, it's really important that to us that we stay kind of on the cutting edge of academic research. What have we learned that's valuable? And we've learned quite a bit over the years. So that's what makes a good partnership with academics. They're leading academics who are interested in the pursuit of truth. That's what it's about. And to the extent that we learn something more about investing, the notions of risk and return, the better we can improve the lives of our clients. One of the benefits of the association with the academic community is globalization. That the principles of finance and investing are pretty much universal, and the insights that we get from the academic community in the U.S. most often translate in most countries around the world. So our approach is based more on the financial science rather than basing it on forecasting. Periods of market volatility really do test people's understanding, but the people that can stay the course, don't take any more risk than they could afford to take. Over the long haul, the markets do bail them out. In our business, I think it's how well you do with clients when the results are very disappointing is a big mark, is a defining characteristic of how successful you will be as a money manager. I think the millennial generation is different because the companies are different. When I started, I would characterize the corporate world as being a little harsher. Over the years, thankfully, companies have gotten to be much more sensitive to the needs of their employees. I think it's all for the good. One of the great things about millennials is they have, I think, more of a sense of purpose and values than my generation had, and that's really refreshing. I think that gives a note of optimism about business going forward. To the extent we can get people in that have legitimate concerns and values, that eventually will get integrated into business and make business better for all of us. At the end of the day, we do have a higher purpose, and we don't often talk about that. But the purpose is, can we use all this great research and thinking that has been developed to gain insights that help us improve people's lives? That's what I think our firm is about, and I think that's what helps attract leading academics to help us, down that path. Success is about is getting good returns and achieving them in a way that enables people to relax just a little bit more.